Hey, I'm Jack, founder of Hypersonic Labs. We're a group of developers and modders who got together to create the ultimate open-world sandbox game. So a lot of us grew up playing games like GTA, but we've always wanted to create more of an open platform of our own where we can truly create and modify and share anything that we want without being too dependent on an existing game or IP. We're still in development, but I wanted to show you some of the features that we're working on so far.
So this right here is our advanced character system, which powers player characters as well as NPCs in Helix. With it, you can create incredibly detailed characters, as you can see here in the advanced edit mode. Everything you see here is fully moddable and supports user-generated content. So following our guides, you can import custom faces, hairstyles, tattoos, clothes, accessories. And using our built-in vault system, you can upload your own creations as well as browse and download a bunch of other mods made by other people. We put a lot of work into adding as much detail as possible while maintaining performance targets. In this case, you can actually see the individual pores of the skin. And of course, we support full face and body animations, which are really important for roleplay and immersion. The game itself comes with a base set of high-quality outfits to choose from, but you're not just limited to one particular style. So if you want stylized characters or zombies or animals or anime waifus, you can totally do that. Whoa, yeah, pretty cool, buddy, right? Now let's talk about some vehicles. As Helix is built for really large open-world experiences, vehicles are a really important part of it. We're putting a lot of work into not just the way they drive, but also the way they look, and you can see the incredible amount of detail that we put into them. Everything is highly modular, so beyond being able to import any vehicle that you want, you can also add an unlimited number of individual parts for customization, like hoods, spoilers, rims, tires, turbos, transmissions, roll cages, individual seats even. One of the biggest features of Helix is the ability to support really large-scale open-world maps, such as New Harbor City, which is the default map. It's a smaller-scale version of New York City with plenty of indoor spaces, procedurally generated interiors, and plenty of roleplay places like casinos, banks, courthouse, jail, and everything else that you might need. And the best part about Helix is that it supports unlimited number of maps. If you're a Gmod OG, you might recognize some of these maps like RP Downtown and SCP remastered on Helix. Here's a sneak peek of a Miami-inspired map that we were working on. With UE5, Helix unlocks a new scale of truly massive open worlds that have simply been impossible before, like this 1-to-1 scale recreation of Manhattan with trillions of polygons and ray tracing. Helix supports dedicated multiplayer servers. You can host your own servers with any game mode or map that you select. And beyond roleplay, sandbox servers allow you to build anything you want in real time with other players. So imagine all the crazy stuff people make in Minecraft, but with realistic graphics. At the core of Helix is our scripting API, which provides thousands of game functions for you to make games much easier than creating something from scratch. So we have something called entities. So as you can see here, we have things like vehicles, we have characters, weapons. These are all very advanced systems that we've created that we're abstracting into an easy-to-use API. Using these, you can create basically an infinite amount of gameplay and different types of games. Another core feature of Helix is our UI system. Everything is powered by HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And this feature alone is hugely helpful for role-playing communities in creating a very immersive and detailed UI. And lastly, we have a central hub for you to safely share, review, and install mods, all from within the game. You can download maps, characters, vehicles, scripts, and really everything in just one spot. We've licensed hundreds of AAA quality assets for you to use for free within Helix.
So yeah, that's Helix in a nutshell. We're super excited to bring this game to you guys soon, so if you could help spread the word, that'd be great. Go to our website to sign up for closed alpha, and thanks for listening to me. Bye.